Hey guys, I have the face linear 400 series 1 here, and this amp keep taking out my transistor, the output transistor in the back. So I have troubleshooting and found that this transistor is bad. This one right here, and this one is bad. I will show you how to test them. So I have desoldered this wire already. I will take them out and we'll show you how to test them. So you remove the screws and desolder these 3 wires from right here and remove this. Now you can test them. So this is how you test them. Put the negative on the base, the middle lead. That's a short. It's also short right there. So this is bad. So let me show you the good one. This is the good one. Same thing. Black probe on the middle lead. See that? Give me, hold on. Give me 0.645, and this should give me nothing on this lead right here. So this is good. Okay, I will, desolder this and solder to a new one, and I'll put it back and see what happened. This is after I cut it off and then solder to this new transistor. And then now I just put this sleeve up and then tie it up, so it won't be short to the other lead. Alright, this is after I put a sleeve on and tie it up. So here's all the wire. The wire red is in the middle. That's where the negative should be. Negative lead right here. And positive should be on the black wire. See, this give me 0.644. Is that good? And same thing, the brown lead on this should give me nothing. So that's good. I don't know which one is the base, which is collector, but I have to look it up online. But I think it's the base is in the red one right here. Emitter and the collector either on the black or brown. Again, so it's working. Black lead on the red, the middle, and let's test them again. So it's good. So here's the bad one. Let's measure it again, so just to prove the point. This one is bad. This is short earlier. See, short, bad. Right, so now I'm gonna put this back here, but before that I'm gonna put the thermal grease right here. This is the heat sink. It's gonna, in the heat, it's gonna transfer to the housing or the case. Yeah, so put a small amount of the heat sink the thermal grease right there, so it's good enough. Now just put a face down and install a screw in the nut. Alright, this is after I have been installed. Put the thermal grease inside. Let's go right here. Solder here. Now I gotta remove this right here and replace that one. This is also bad. So here, just try to show you guys how do I know it's bad. Again, black probe in the middle. Short, bad. Alright, replace that. This one right here. I'll be back when it's done. So I just pull it out, pull the screw out, and it's still connected to the board. I figure I just desolder this right here and replace with a new one. Instead of remove the wires, so just desolder these wire and then replace them. Okay. I apply the thermal grease ready, tie it up. Use the zip tie to tie all the wire. Now I need to trim it off. Flip the board over. It should be good. Right, we know that this one is bad, so let me test this one after I've been removed to see if it's still bad or not. See, it's bad, shorted. Bad. So this is also bad. I replace with the good one and see if it's good. Okay, and put it back. These are the two, the bad one. Put it back. Now just flip the meter over. And put them to a test, see what happens. F channel. Right channel. It's working. Good.